1. Computer generations. Warm up. Identify the types of computers and name them. A computer is a tool and partner in every sphere of human life and activity. Computers are bringing many changes in industry, government, education, medicine, scientific research, law, social service, and even in arts, music, paintings, etc. The old adage, necessity is the mother of invention, holds true for computer also because computers are invented as a result of man's search for fast, accurate, and reliable calculating devices. The evolution of computers is defined in terms of various eras. Let us take a look of them. Eras of computer. Manual era, the earliest device that qualifies as a digital computer is the abacus. This device allows the user to represent numbers by the position of beads on a rack. Simple addition and subtraction can be carried out rapidly and efficiently by positioning the beads on the rack appropriately. Another manual calculating device to speed up the multiplication process was John Napier's bone, developed by Scottish man named John Napier. A complete set of Napier bones consists of rods, one for each of the digit 0 to 9 called bones, with number carried on them. Mechanical era. The first mechanical calculator was developed by Wilhelm Schickard, a professor at the University of Tübingen. In 1642, the young French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal developed another mechanical adding machine called Pascaline, which could add and subtract numbers. Leibniz's calculator. Mathematician Gottfried Leibniz built a calculator in 1650 that could add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers. Jacquard's loom. In 1801, Joseph Marie Jacquard invented a powered loom that used punched wooden cards to automatically weave incredibly detailed patterns, including pictures and text. This can be taken as the first read-only memory. Babbage engine. Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor, designed an automatic calculating machine in 1822. He called it a difference engine. Analytical engine 1832. In 1832, Babbage abandoned work on his differential engine in favor of another project he considered to be far superior, a machine he called it analytical engine. Babbage believed his analytical engine would solve the problems of the different engine in both respects. Keep in mind, analytical engine was programmable, and in order to write programs, Babbage employed Ada Lovelace, daughter of poet Lord Byron, who became the first programmer in the world. Electronic era. In 1946, all electronic version of Mark I called Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator ENIAC was developed by J. Presper Eckert and John W. Mauchly at the University of Pennsylvania, USA. It was the first large-scale fully electronic computer installed at Maryland to cater the military need. The basic behind the stored program digital computers was developed by Dr. John von Neumann, and in 1952 by using the concepts of stored program, John von Neumann designed electronic discrete variable automatic calculator EDVAC. It was John von Neumann who introduced the idea of storing both instructions and data in the binary form. In 1949, at Cambridge University, a group of British scientists headed by Professor Maurice Wilkes developed electronic delay storage automatic calculator EDSAC that was capable of performing addition operation in 1500 microseconds and multiplication operation in 4000 microseconds. The Universal Automatic Computer (UNIAC) was the first digital computer produced by many companies like IBM, Universal Accounting Company, General Electronic Corporation, etc. It was the first commercial large-scale digital computer produced in 1951. Generation of computers. The evolution of electronic computers over a period of time can be traced effectively by dividing this period into various generations. Each generation is characterized by a major technological development that fundamentally changed the way computers operated. Computers were developed in 5 different phases known as the generation of computers. Let's discuss one by one in a little detail. First generation 1942 to 1955. The computers of this generation used electronic valves, an array of vacuum tubes, as the basic component for memory and circuitry for central processing unit. These vacuum tubes were a fragile glass device like electric bulb that could control and amplify electronic signals. Advantages. These computers could perform computations in milliseconds. Vacuum tube technology made possible the advent of electronic digital computers. Disadvantages. Too bulky in size, air conditioning required to control the temperature, prone to frequent hardware failure, commercial production was difficult and costly, slow input and output operations. Second generation 1955 to 1964. The second generation computers used semiconductor transistor instead of vacuum tubes. The transistors were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact in size, more reliable, and faster than the vacuum tubes used in first generation computers. Advantages. Smaller in size as compared to first generation computers, more reliable, less heat generated, less prone to hardware failure, wider commercial use. Disadvantages: too bulky in size, air conditioning required to control the temperature, prone to frequent hardware failure, commercial production was difficult and costly, slow input and output operations. Third generation 1964 to 1975. The third generation computers used integrated circuits or IC chips. The new microelectronic technology was called integrated circuits. The IC was invented by Jack Kilby in 1958. Advantages: smaller in size as compared to previous generations, more reliable than second generation computers, low maintenance cost, easily portable. Commercial production was easier and cheaper. Disadvantages: air conditioning required in many cases, highly sophisticated technology required for manufacture of IC chips. Fourth generation 1975 onwards. The fourth generation of computers is marked by the use of very large scale integrated VLSI circuits. VLSI circuits having about 5,000 transistors and other circuit elements and their associated circuits on a single chip made it possible to have microcomputers of fourth generation. Fourth generation computers became more powerful, compact, reliable and affordable. As a result, it gave rise to personal computer PC revolution. Take a break. Complete the following table. Features: first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, fourth generation computer. Processor, input, output, memory, examples. Keep in mind, the first microprocessor, Intel 4004, consisted of 2250 transistors on it and was designed by Intel Corporation engineer Ted Hoff in 1971. It was a 4-bit microprocessor. Advantages: smaller in size because of high component density, heat generated is negligible, much faster in computation than previous generation, less power consumption, no air conditioning is required in most cases. Disadvantages: highly sophisticated technology is required for the manufacturing of VLSI chips. Highly skilled people are required in its manufacturing. Fifth generation, future generation 1991 onwards. The fifth generation computers are under development stage. These computers will use ultra large scale integration ULSI chips instead of VLSI. These will be employing 2 or more processors which compute in parallel. The fifth generation machines are proposed to be based on parallel processing hardware and artificial intelligence software with genuine IQ, intelligence quotient that provide the ability to reason logically and with the real knowledge of the world like humans do. Characteristics of future generation computers: decreasing cost of hardware and software, high-speed processing, knowledge-based processing system developed of natural language processing, advancement in supercomputer technology, artificial intelligence, think and behave like humanoid. To sum up, a computer is a tool and partner in every sphere of human life and activity. The earliest device that qualifies as a digital computer is the abacus. The Universal Automatic Computer (UNIVAC) was the first digital computer. Computers were developed in 5 different phases known as the generation of computers. Ada Lovelace was the world's first programmer. Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor, designed an automatic calculating machine in 1822.